Hello everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creative by Fabi. Today we're going to be making a beautiful 3-tier tray using only $3 items. So the materials that I'm going to be using is 3 frames or canvas from dollar store, some acrylic paint, a plunger, and 2 wooden hanger. So it also will need like a sawn or something that you can cut the wood. So first what I did was just remove the bottom of the hangers, and I ended with something like that. And then I will be using the saw. You can use the $3 or you can use this yellow box. I keep forgetting the name of that. As you can see, and then I cut it in half, and then I will be cutting the end of the wood to give you a better finished look, just like so. I also use a little bit of tape just to make sure that all the little wooden pieces were on the same side, just like so. Next, I just use the same paper and sand it a little bit the edges, just like so. Next, I repeat the step with the plunger. First, I remove the rubber part, and then I cut it in half, and then I remove, well, first I think I remove the end of the plunger, and then I cut it in half. And I save the end part because we'll be using it soon. So I ended with something like that. So next what I did, I used the white acrylic paint and I give you a light coat to the wood, just like so. Next I used the antique wax to stain the wood a little bit, as you can see. And then with the frames, I will be removing the plastic, and then I will be using the white acrylic paint just to give you a light coat of paint. As you can see, doesn't need to be perfect, it's just a light coat because it will be a base for better finish or better cover of the next color of paint that we're going to be using. As you can see, then I used the color gray, and that is how it looks like when it was done. I also stained those small wooden pieces that I have left over for previous DIY. Then what I did was use the light acrylic paint gray, and just to paint the center or just the inside of the frame, as you can see. And then at the edges I used the same darker gray that I used at the beginning, just to give it that look like it's only on the center that I wanted, like the stresses, if that makes sense. So then I will be using some nails and some hot glue to attach it all the wooden pieces, and just like so. So then at first I was just trying to figure out how that would look, and then I start using the hot glue, and then I will be placing the nails, just like so. So next what I did was just glue the other frame on top of the first base that we already made, just like so. I was trying to put nails on top of the second frame, but it wasn't working, so at the end I just leave it with the hot glue. And also what I did was glue the leftover wood that I have for previous DIY on the bottom, just to give you like a little feet looking. And then as you can see, and there was my husband. I was trying to glue this other two small pieces on the center of the frame, just because I wanted a really tall, a 3-tier stand, but it really didn't work the way I wanted, so I ended up removing it. I tried with the nails, but it wasn't strong enough, and I didn't like it, and it didn't work the way I wanted, so I ended up using a candle holder I already have wrap it around with twine, and I just placed it, and I think it came out really nice. So then, to cover the imperfections and the paint that came off when I was trying to work with the first wooden sticks. So yeah, that's it for today. I think at the end it came out really nice. I really like it, and I really hope you guys enjoy it the same I did. So thank you so much for watching, like I always say. And if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the red button and also the bell, and you will notify every time I upload videos. So ciao ciao.